I love watching Empties or end of year reviews because even though I am easily influenced, I get quite fed up of influencers on the daily saying things like, I'm obsessed, don't walk, run. You can't be obsessed with something by using it once. Yes, you can love something and you can have a great first impression, but we need more. We need day 2 or 3, or we need to see you wearing the product or using whatever product that you are trying to basically sell to your viewers a little bit longer and a little bit more. Today I am going to share with you my empties for 2025 so you can see what I've used to the very last drop. Hello friends and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my channel focuses on hair care and self-care in general. My name is Irena and I am looking for a middle-age glow up. So come with me on this journey and let's glow up together, because being 40 or over does not mean the end of glowing up. Make sure you're subscribed to watch more. I've made some reels in which I show products I am not very keen on, or even products that I really don't like. If you want to watch that type of content, then go and follow me on Instagram. But on this video I'm going to focus on things that I've actually liked. I'm dividing this video in 2 categories: skincare and hair care. I'm putting timestamps on the sections of this video so that you can watch whichever one you prefer first. The middle-aged glow up can't happen without a good, thorough skincare routine. In my early 20s, I worked on the Body Shop and it got drilled into me the importance of cleansing your skin and moisturizing your skin. And that has been something that I have really followed through till today. But something that I've been doing for the last couple of years, it is wearing sunscreen religiously. This year I empty a lot of sunscreens. European sunscreens, although they do a great job at protecting your skin from UV rays, I find them a bit too heavy and too oily and sticky, and they're not my favorite. So K-beauty it is for me. They're also quite affordable. I find that European SPFs can be quite pricey. This year I've also finished some classics like the List hyaluronic acid serum. It's just so simple, no faff, nothing fancy. It just hydrates your skin really well. I really like this. And the Cosrx Galactomyces 95 Tone Balancing Essence. It's just great. It makes your skin really soft. I really liked it. This is an old favorite and is a timeless skincare, 10% vitamin C and ferbolic acid with vitamin E. I recently bought the 20% version. I started with the 10% because I wanted to start slowly in case it was irritating on my skin. This is a affordable version of the Skin Cuticles vitamin C ferulic acid that so many dermatologists swear by. And of course I bought the affordable version because the other one is like 150 euros. But the Skin Cuticle patent for that product has come to an end in 2025, and I am expecting that many other brands are gonna come out with a more similar version, so that could be quite exciting if it happens. I'm so impressed with this product in the morning. It's the Genabel PDRN Vita Toning Ampoule, and it has vitamin C and vitamin E. It's just really good. It makes my skin really glowy, really soft. It is great under SPF, and I just find that my skin has improved a lot since using this product. Absolutely recommend this. I really loved it. I've also recently finally stopped breastfeeding and I have dabbed into retinols. This is the retinol that I have finished so far. It's a Seoul 1988. It is a retinol liposome 2%. I used this at night. I really could see a huge difference. Fine lines here on my neck. This was the biggest and nicest surprise of them all. Just to quote those influencers, don't walk, run. This is so good. And it is quite affordable in comparison to other Western retinols. Welcome to the hair care section. Let's start with shampoo. I've tried probably half a dozen shampoos this year. These are the ones that I have finished. The first one is the L'Oreal Elsef. I believe in America it's Elvive. and it comes in a pink bottle, but this is a European version of this L'Oreal dupe, if you will, to the Redken acid bonding concentrate, and I find this shampoo absolutely amazing. It cleanses well, but it leaves your hair really, really soft. Absolutely loved it. And then my most favorite, my most beloved shampoo, and it pains me to say it because it's so pricey, is a Porosity Strength Cure shampoo. This is the perfect shampoo. It cleanses your scalp really well and it keeps it clean for a long period of time. It thoroughly removes buildup without stripping your hair. What I find about having a decent shampoo that not only makes your hair soft and shiny, the fact that it cleanses well, it means that it reduces the need for clarifying your hair. Clarifying your hair can be quite drying, especially if you have already dry, brittle hair. I believe this line comes from the early 2000s, so this has been around for a while. If it was a launch today, it would be called a bond repair shampoo because it has great technology, and bond repairing is a broadly used term now, especially because there's no regulation on what actually is, even though we know what it actually should do. I have to say that even though it's really, really pricey, this shampoo lasted me for ages, whereas I need to use a little bit more of this to cleanse my scalp properly. This, you only need a small amount to properly get a lather all over your head and cleanse. So I really recommend this. It's great value for money, even if the initial investment is painful. For hair masks and conditioners, I haven't tried anything new this year that I've been so impressed that it's worth mentioning on this video. I've gone through a few bond repair treatments, and this is the ones that I've finished, and the ones that I have loved. The Olaplex No. 3. I'm already halfway through my third bottle of 2025. I've said it before and I'm gonna say it again. I still think Olaplex No. 3 is your best value for money bond repairer. I think you get really, really, really good results with this. You need to use it correctly though. Don't leave it on overnight and don't use it as a leave-in conditioner. If you follow the instructions to the T, you're gonna get great results. As someone who dyes my hair and has been dyeing my hair for a really long time, until recently I was bleaching my hair. This is just great. It works. Another bond repair product that I really liked that is even more affordable than the Olaplex No. 3 is the citric acid treatments. These are both from the drugstore. This is a European version and this is the version from the Americas. They're exactly the same. The user experience is pretty much the same. I just got this one from the Americas because I was curious. I just wanted to see if it has any difference with the European version, but honestly, get the one that it is most affordable to you. Regarding the OG Redken version, I think this one is nicer. I don't know if it's a placebo effect of the fact that it's the OG, or even it's just the fact that it's more expensive and it creates a bias, but I prefer this one. But this one is a fraction of the price and it works just as well, so get whichever one you can afford the most. Great results, softer, shinier, healthier hair. This year I've also tried quite a few leave-in conditioners and cold creams. I generally don't use both, I use one or the other. There has only been one that I have not only used up but that I've repurchased, and is the Aveda Botanical Repair Bond Building Styling Cream. It's not technically a cold cream because it's designed for all hair types, but it offers so much shine, hydration and some hold to my hair, and it works pretty much with any gel I have tried on top of it. It's great at taming frizz and it makes your hair so shiny. I just love it, and I love the earthy scent of it. Love it. Now for styling products. These are my favorite products. I love gel, I love mousse. I think they are responsible, good ones at least, are responsible for giving you hold, longevity, to help with definition. I just love these ones. And this is the ones that I have finished and loved. And all of them have been repurchased. The first one is from a European brand called Eichmann. I have absolutely love this mousse. Yes, it's a mini, so you could argue that it is a lot easier to finish, which is true, but I really liked these hair mousse. They're very, very lightweight, so you need to top it up with a little bit of gel. They're on Shapeshifter Gel. They both have the same name. It's just amazing. The next one is the Olaplex number 10. I know this gel hasn't received a lot of love from the curly community, but I really like it. I find it to be a great gel. I particularly like it in the summer months. It's a great anti-humidity gel. I feel that it makes my hair shiny and the definition is really, really good. And affordable goodness, I love this gel, and my newer bottle is already halfway through. It's the Umberto Giannini Curl Jelly. It does everything that says on the tin. As I said, it's really affordable. It's really, really good. Another gel, I think it's quite pricey, but I absolutely love it. It's just such an amazing gel. It works on all weather conditions. It withstands friction. It makes your hair incredibly shiny. It elongates your curls without compromising definition. I mean, it's just magical. And then my favorite styling product for 2025 gonna be the Crazy Sexy Curl by Dedu. This is part of the Big Girl collection. I've also have a new bottle of this. It's affordable, it smells great, it's amazing under humidity, gives you shine, gives you definition. It's an all-in-one, so you don't really need to use it with a leave-in conditioner. It's that hydrating. And because you don't need to use it with a leave-in conditioner or curl cream, it allows for volume. I absolutely think that this product, it should be in a pedestal in every household. Absolutely love it. Those were my 2025 empties and the products that I've loved the most, and most of which I am repurchasing. I'm so excited not only to use the products that I love this year, I'm also really excited to try new products and review for you new stuff and new techniques. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any new uploads, that you like my videos so that YouTube knows that you like it. And thank you so much for watching. I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.